Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change theme or enable dark theme in Jupyter notebook. So let's get started. So first thing, just open command prompt and we'll be making use of the Jupyter themes package. Okay, so we have to run the command pip install Jupyter themes and go here, run this. It will take some time to install the package, just be patient. So once it is installed, we need to first check what are the themes that are available. So for doing that, it's going to be JT space -L, and these are the themes that are available. So to set a particular theme, it's going to be JT space -T space the name of the theme. So in my case, I will just go with this grade 3. Maybe I'll just go with this one, copy this, paste it and hit enter. So you need to just close and reopen Jupyter notebook. Just close and reopen it again. And here you can see the theme has changed, like the font style and other things have been totally applied. So in case if you want a dark theme or something, I would recommend you to go with this one, the one dork or monokai. I'll just hit it. And in some cases, even if you refresh the page, the theme gets applied. So like this, in some cases it gets applied. If it doesn't get applied, you can just reopen it again. So you'll be basically getting the dark theme like this. And if you want to reset to the original theme of Jupyter notebook, you can run the command JT space -R. That's it. It resets the CSS. It brings back to the original theme how it was. So that's how we change theme in Jupyter notebook. I hope you have found this useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. A lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.